Hello and welcome to Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. This is your one-stop for all information on homeschooling and all its tricks that I am ready to reveal to you. So subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video or trick. Today we're going to talk about ways you can help others to homeschool their children. Homeschooling is an increasingly popular option for families, but it can also be challenging and overwhelming task for some parents who take this alone. But by offering support and resources to these families, we can help make homeschooling experience more successful and enjoyable for parents and their children. One of the most important ways to help others who are homeschooling their children is by offering support and guidance area of curriculum section by lesson planning. Many homeschooling parents may not have the background in education and may not know where to begin. And when it comes to homeschooling, choosing appropriate materials and planning lessons, they're in line with the state standards. By offering guidance and resources in these areas, we can help ensure that homeschool children receive high-quality education that meets their individual needs and interests. Another important way to help others who are homeschooling their children is by connecting them to local resources and support groups. Homeschooling can be isolating, and many parents may not know where to turn for help and support. By helping to connect these families with other homeschooling families in their area, as well as with resources such as libraries and museums, we can help create a sense of community and support that can be beneficial for all involved. In addition to offering support and resources, it is important to help homeschooling families navigate the legal and administrative aspects of homeschooling. Many states may have specific laws and regulations that homeschooling families must abide by, and it can be different for parents to understand and comply with these requirements. By providing information and assistance in these areas, we can help ensure that homeschooling families are in compliance with all state laws and regulations, and that their child's education is recognized and accepted by the state. Another important aspect of helping others who are homeschooling their child is by providing opportunities for socializing and extracurricular activities. Homeschool children may not have the same opportunities to interact with their peers as children in traditional schools, and it is important to provide them with opportunities for socialization and extra activities as sport, music, and drama. By organizing these activities and events, we can help ensure that homeschool children have a well-rounded education that includes social and emotional development. It is also important to provide support and resources for these new homeschooling families. Starting homeschooling can be a daunting task, and many parents may not know what to expect or where to turn for help. By offering guidance and support to new homeschooling families, we can help make the transition to homeschooling as smooth as possible and help ensure these families are successful in their homeschooling journey. Homeschooling can also be challenging for the parents who are trying to balance responsibilities of homeschooling with the demands of work and other family obligations. By offering assistance in the areas of organization and time management, we can help homeschooling families make the most of their time and ensure that their children receive a high quality education. It is also important to provide a safe and nurturing learning environment for homeschooling children. This can include offering a quiet, distract-free space for children to work and provide a comfortable and welcoming space for parents and children to interact and learn together. Finally, it is important to encourage and support parents in their homeschooling journey. Homeschooling can be challenging and an overwhelming task, and it is important to provide emotional support and encouragement to parents who are working hard to provide the best education possible for their child. If you are unsure on how you can offer help, here are 20 ways. Number 1, offer to be a guest speaker or teacher for a specific subject. Number 2, share resources and materials that have worked well for your children. Number 3, offer help with lesson planning and curriculum selection. Number 4, organize group field trips or educational activities. Number 5, offer to provide tutoring or help with difficult subject matters. Number 6, help connect homeschooling families with local support groups or resources. Number 7, offer to exchange childcare with other homeschooling families. Number 8, share your own experience and tips for homeschooling with others. Number 9, help parents find and join online homeschooling communities. Number 10, offer to assist with administration tasks such as record keeping or filing paperwork. Number 11, help parents access local resources such as libraries and museums. Number 12, organize social events or extracurricular activities for homeschooling children. Number 13, offer to help organization and time management for homeschooling. Number 14, offer to provide support for parents who are new to homeschooling. Number 15, share information about local laws and regulations related to homeschooling. Number 16, offer to help parents navigate the process of testing and evaluation. Number 17, help parents to find and participate in homeschooling co-ops or groups. Number 18, offer to provide a safe and nurturing learning environment for homeschooled children. Number 19, help parents to find and connect with other homeschooling families in their area. Number 20, encourage and support parents in their homeschooling journey. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that it was very informative. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell for more videos to help you become a better home educator. This is Learning with Love with Mrs. Sand, and I am Mrs. Sand. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.